Got the Montecito Blue here. We wanted to give you a very long walk around on the outside of the car. So now we're going to take our time. You know all the amenities that are on the vehicle. I'm just showing you the inside color. So come on around. This is the pretty gray. It's like a light gray interior. I think it looks very good. It's got the black stitching around the bolster style seating. And of course, the navigation, the backup camera, well, all the amenities that we went over. Nothing's changed there. Just wanted to give you a good brief overview. First of all, you know what? Let's look at one thing. If you can, zoom in and look at the wood grain that's in this color as opposed to the red. Now as we come out of the car, I think that's got pretty much everything. Indy, give me a call. Let me know what time you're going to be here tomorrow. I have an appointment scheduled for 11 o'clock, so just give me a heads up. Thank you.